My name is Bobbie, and this is my Papillon, Arden. And we'd like to do some tricks today. Okay, Arden. Up, 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 up. Okay, sit. All right. Oh, look, Arden. There's a Christmas present here. I think my friends and family have sent us a present. And Arden, it's a puzzle. Sit. Let's see what this puzzle is. Are you going to help me? All right. Let's see. All right. Arden, go. Here. Arden, roll it. Roll it. Okay. Arden, back here. Well, it looks like she's rolled out the red carpet. So, that means we put in puzzle piece number 1. Arden. Let's go. Come on. All right. Here, Arden. Here. Arden, come on. Go through. Go through. Go through. Yes. And around and through and around. Yes. Well, that's 2 cones, so I think that's piece number 2. Here, Arden, up. Yes. There we go. Piece number 2. Now, one of Arden's favorite tricks is her rings. One, Arden, let's go. Here. Put that one on. Put it on. Hey, get it. Arden, put it on. Get it. Come on. Put it on. Get it. Yeah. I know there's 2 out here. All right, Arden. Papillon. Here. Right here. Put it on. Put it on. Go ahead. Get it. You can do this. No. Oh, come on. Try it again. Go ahead. Oh, yes, that's 1. Arden, get it. Come on, put it on. And that's 2. And that is 3. And look at this mess. Oh, you better clean it up. Get your toys. Put your toys away. Come on. Put them away. And there's 1. Get this one. Come on. Get them. And 2. This one. Here. Piggies. 3. Come on. Oh, you can put it in here. 3. Get this one. Here. Piggy. And 4. Good dog, Arden. Up. Well, that looks like piece number 3. And piece number 4. Okay. That's pieces 3 and 4. All right, Arden. Are you ready? Go target. Arden, go target. Go target. Sit. Wait. Yes. Candy cane lane. Yay. Good girl. Yeah. That looks like a high 5 and 6 candy canes. So that is piece 5 and 6. All right. Now, Arden, you need to check the mail. Yes. number 7. Yes. Good girl. High five. And that would be piece number 7. Oops. Arden, come. All right. Are you ready? Arden. Arden. Arden, come here. Go through. And through. Here, and through. And through. And through. And up. Orbit. Yay! What a good girl, Arden. That looked like a figure 8 to me. Piece number 8. There. All right. Well, the puzzle's almost done. Do we know what it is yet? Arden, come. Here. Sit. Here. Come here. Sit. Wait. 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 Okay. Get that one. Yes. Oh, it's a K. Let's try that one. Oh, there you go. It's a 9. Oh, a K9. Yes, Arden. It's a picture of you. And you are a K9. Up here. But to me, Arden is the perfect 10.